really dangerous. I'm gonna ollie while doing recording. My first ollie on video. Even though I landed my first ollie about 15 seconds ago. Okay, here we go. It's scary when you have a camera in your hand. Wait, you know what? I'll just set down the camera. I'm gonna set it down right there. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, looks good.
Dick wet.
A little bit. We'll do another. Let's get a more clean one. Slow. Oh, well, that was scary. Can go up enough. Oh, jeez. Come on.
I'm trying to get my dick wet. I smell the pussy.
Almost. Start it up. Madman.
What's that?
It's okay, they're gonna get dirty eventually.
They're already dirty.
Oh, there you go. Let's get it from this side.
You hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, let me just wait till the guy leaves.
Some old white dude. That's not a good sign. Oh, I didn't get it.
Sound good?
Oh, yeah.
It sounds good right now because it has a soap on.
Yeah.
Warming up. It's my helmet.
We got the steady cam on deck.
You want to start going already?
Why not, yeah?
Let's start going.
Alright.
The dirt road
So where are we
is
going?
all the way down.
It's all the way down?
In the corner.
Alright. See you then.
Shut the fuck up. You're a stupid cunt. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here. What? Yeah. I just wanna let you know you're a stupid fucking cunt. Go ahead and run your mouth, pussy. I don't give a fuck. You're a stupid piece of shit. You're a stupid fucking bitch. Get the fuck up off my dick. Get the fuck up off my dick. Like, please end your fucking life. Please end your fucking life. I really gotta emphasize, no one cares if you're alive. You're a fucking penis hole. Grab a dick and eat it whole. I need to know if you were dropped when you were just a fetus though. You're so fucking ugly and your face is fucking foul. Jeez, you're so fucking loud. Can you shut your fucking mouth? Can you shut the fuck up? You're a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick. Shut the fuck up. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here. Yeah. Close close your fucking mouth. You're just really fucking dense. If you hate me while you talking, you don't make no fucking sense. Got a sad life, go to fucking hell. Are you stupid or disabled, man? I can't fucking tell. Man, you're a fucking dumb shit. You don't even run shit. Get the fuck up out my face and go to hell and eat a dick. Come and catch these hands, boy. Come and match these bands, boy. I'm not crazy, I just do it all because I can, boy. I hope you fucking die in a high-speed car crash. I hope you fucking fall head first and get your neck cracked. I hope you have some beautiful children that die from cancer. I hope you can.
And that today was episode 1 to Angel's journey of racing
Oh yeah.
and bike life.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you for your time. Like and subscribe.
That was a little dark. Very poor taste. Shut the fuck up. I shouldn't have said that. You're a fucking cunt. Actually, no, I should have. Shut the fuck up. I didn't say enough. You're a stupid cunt. Suck my dick. Shut the fuck up. Stop being a fucking cunt. Shut the fuck up. Nobody even wants you here.